This is crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is RL Beauty. Thank you guys for joining yet another video. You have no idea the struggle I've been through trying to get this look up and posted, like, well, recorded for you guys. I have brushes falling. My camera decided it didn't want to work this morning, so now I'm on my tablet trying to record the look for you guys. So if the lighting seems different than the last video, then that is why. And our video is to show you guys how $1.49 palettes perform, beauty store palettes perform. Anyhow, trying to brighten that up. Okay, and this is by the brand Santee, and I got these from the hair store here in my town. And this is the look that I came up with. So the pigments that you see, the shimmer, is from COLOURPOP, and it's in the shade QUICKSAND. I don't know if you guys can see that just a little bit, the shimmer of it, but that's in the shade QUICKSAND, and this is in the shade GOLIGHTLY. This is a golden shade, and this is a bronzy type of. Anyhow, let's get into this look. I'm going to prime my eyes with the LA Girl concealer from, I told you guys it's been one of the mornings. TOFFEE. It's the LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to outline my eyebrows with this. A little note, side note, they do get a little powdery, but I'm gonna show you that as well. I'm trying to show you that as well, the fallout that you get. But honestly and truly, I try to use the fallout to the best of my ability, especially when working with cheaper palettes like this, because it helps you shape the look that you're trying to come up with. So let's get into this thing. It has no names on the shades. I'm not going to be really speaking much, but I will be showing you. This is the palette that I used for this complete look, and like I said, I cheated a little bit, and I used ColourPop pigments for the outline. Of course, as you can see, this is an all matte shade. This right here at the bottom is absolutely no good. Excuse my dirty brush, because I used this brush earlier to create this spot. But anyway, this I would say is a no-go. I wouldn't even advise anyone to use that. I'm trying to get my finger in there. As you can see, it's crazy. Like, it is greasy. Okay, just to put it like that. 62 brush, and I'm going into the deepest shade, the last shade in this palette, and that's what I'm going to start off with. And I'm going to blend that deep shade out, and I'm using my AOA E128 brush, and these brushes are $1. Yes, they are $1 from Miss A. base part of it, except for the glitter part. This red shade is what I'm going to use first, and then I'm going to go back into it with this purple in the center and this chocolatey brownish purple, or however you want to call it, and that's going to be at the end. Just check it out. The E19 brush, and that's just a flathead brush. I told you, like. Back into with that shade right there. Pigments. Shade with my eyeliner brush. Brush. Use this thing, as you can see, I used it earlier, but anyhow. Taking the NYX glue. And we're going to basically outline wherever you see, I did it right here, we're just going to do it right now. lashes and my foundation on. I'll be back on to show you guys the highlight, the blush, and the lip part. I'm going to also do my other brow, so I'll be back.